Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into Steve Klabnik's talk at API Days Paris 2013. While I can't provide a direct recording or transcript of the presentation, as I don't have access to offline events, I can reconstruct the probable core concepts and examples based on Steve Klabnik's well-known expertise, his other presentations on API design, and the prevailing themes of API development in 2013. Assumptions and context asterisk. API focus given that it's API days, the talk likely centers on designing, building, and deploying APIs effectively. Steve Klabnik's expertise. Steve is known for his focus on Ruby, RESTful principles, clear communication, documentation, and pragmatic approaches. Expect the talk to advocate for well-defined, developer-friendly APIs. 2013 landscape. API design patterns like REST were dominant, but there was also a growing interest in hypermedia, hateoas, and more flexible approaches. Tools were becoming more mature. Probable key topics and themes. Based on the above, here's a likely structure of Steve's talk and the points he might have emphasized. 1. Understanding your audience, the developer experience. 2. Designing a RESTful API, principles and best practices. 3. Hypermedia as the engine of application state, hateoas. 4. API versioning and evolution. 5. Documentation and communication. 6. Authentication and authorization. 7. Rate limiting and security. 8. Testing your API. 9. Tools and technologies, likely Ruby-centric. Detailed breakdown with examples. 1. Understanding your audience, the developer experience. Key idea. The most important aspect of API design is to consider the developers who will be using your API. Think like a user, not just a system architect. Emphasis. Simplicity. Make your API easy to understand and use. Avoid overly complex patterns or designs unless strictly necessary. Consistency. Use consistent naming conventions, data formats, and error handling. Predictability. API behavior should be predictable based on the input. Developers should not be surprised. Discoverability. Make it easy for developers to find out what your API can do and how to use it. Questions to ask yourself. Who are the target developers? Experience levels, preferred languages. What problems are they trying to solve with my API? What would make their lives easier? Example. Consider the difference between get/get_customer_info, customer_ID equals 123, less clear. Get/customers/123, RESTful, more intuitive. 2. Designing a RESTful API, principles and best practices. Key idea. REST provides a set of architectural constraints that lead to scalable, maintainable, and interoperable APIs. Emphasis. Resources. APIs should expose resources, nouns, that represent the data you are working with, example customers, products, orders. HTTP verbs. Use HTTP verbs, get, post, put, delete, patch, correctly to indicate the desired action on a resource. Statelessness. Each request from a client should contain all the information needed to process the request. The server should not store any client context between requests. Representations. Use standard data formats like JSON or XML to represent resources. Asterisk HTTP status codes asterisk use HTTP status codes correctly to indicate the outcome of a request, example 200 OK, 201 created, 400 bad request, 404 not found, 500 internal server error. Asterisk example, Ruby on Rails. Asterisk explanation asterisk this Rails code automatically creates RESTful routes for managing articles and comments. The controller methods handle the different HTTP verbs and render appropriate JSON responses with correct status codes. 3. Hypermedia as the engine of application state, hateoas. Asterisk key idea asterisk hateoas allows the API to evolve without breaking clients because the API provides links that guide clients to the available actions. Asterisk emphasis asterisk. Asterisk links in representations asterisk include links within the API responses that tell the client what actions are possible on the resource. Asterisk discoverability asterisk clients don't need to hardcode URLs, they follow the links provided by the API. Asterisk loose coupling asterisk this reduces the coupling between the client and server, making it easier to change the API. Asterisk example, JSON example. Asterisk explanation asterisk the links section provides URLs for the client to perform actions on the article, view, edit, delete, and also to access related resources, comments. The rel attribute describes the relationship of the link to the resource. The method attribute is crucial for indicating the HTTP verb to use with the link. Asterisk Ruby example using link underscore to helper, in Rails views or serializers. 4. API versioning and evolution. Asterisk key idea asterisk APIs inevitably change over time. Versioning allows you to introduce new features and changes without breaking existing clients. Asterisk emphasis asterisk. Asterisk versioning strategies asterisk. Asterisk URI versioning asterisk include the version number in the URL, example /v1/articles/v2/articles. This is a very common approach. Asterisk header versioning asterisk use a custom HTTP header, example accept, application/vnd.myapi.v2 plus JSON. Asterisk media type versioning asterisk, similar to header versioning, but using the accept header more strictly. Asterisk deprecation asterisk announce deprecated features and provide a migration path for clients. Asterisk backward compatibility asterisk try to maintain backward compatibility as much as possible. If you have to break compatibility, provide a clear migration guide. Asterisk example, URI versioning. Asterisk /v1/articles, returns articles in the v1 format. Asterisk /v2/articles, returns articles in the v2 format, potentially with new fields or different data structures. 5. Documentation and communication. Asterisk key idea asterisk good documentation is essential for developers to understand and use your API effectively. Asterisk emphasis asterisk. Asterisk comprehensive documentation asterisk document all endpoints, request parameters, response formats, error codes, and authentication methods. Asterisk examples asterisk provide code examples in different programming languages. Asterisk interactive documentation asterisk use tools like Swagger/OpenAPI, which were emerging around that time, to generate interactive API documentation that developers can use to test the API. Note, Swagger was not as prevalent in 2013 as it is now, but the trend was definitely in that direction. Asterisk changelog asterisk keep a changelog that tracks all changes to the API. Asterisk communication channels asterisk provide support channels, example forums, email, Slack, for developers to ask questions. Asterisk tools, evolving in 2013. Asterisk Markdown asterisk a simple and popular format for writing documentation. Asterisk API Blueprint asterisk a Markdown-based API documentation format. Asterisk Swagger / Open API, emerging as standard for describing REST APIs. Definitely would have been mentioned as a promising trend. Asterisk Slate asterisk a nice documentation generator. 6. Authentication and authorization. Asterisk Key idea asterisk secure your API to protect your data and prevent unauthorized access. Asterisk emphasis asterisk. Asterisk authentication asterisk verifying the identity of the user or application making the request. Asterisk authorization asterisk determining what resources the authenticated user or application is allowed to access. Asterisk common authentication methods asterisk. Asterisk API keys asterisk a simple approach where each client is assigned a unique key. Asterisk basic authentication asterisk sending the username and password in the authorization header. Less secure, should only be used over HTTPS. Asterisk OAuth 2.0 asterisk a widely used authorization framework that allows users to grant third-party applications limited access to their data. Asterisk JWT, JSON Web Tokens a standard for securely transmitting information as a JSON object. JWTs can be signed using a secret key or a public/private key pair. Asterisk example, API key. Asterisk the client sends the API key in the XAPI key header or as a query parameter. Asterisk the server verifies the API key before processing the request. Asterisk Ruby, using a gem like Doorkeeper for OAuth 2.0. Asterisk too complex to fully illustrate here, but Doorkeeper or similar gems make implementing OAuth 2.0 in Rails relatively straightforward. 7. Rate limiting and security. Asterisk key idea asterisk protect your API from abuse and denial of service attacks. Asterisk emphasis asterisk. Asterisk rate limiting asterisk limiting the number of requests that a client can make within a given time period. Asterisk input validation asterisk validate all input data to prevent SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and other security vulnerabilities. Asterisk HTTPS asterisk use HTTPS to encrypt all communication between the client and server. Asterisk CORS, cross-origin resource sharing configure CORS correctly to allow requests from trusted origins. Asterisk example, rate limiting, conceptual. Asterisk allow each client to make 100 requests per minute. Asterisk return A429 too many requests error if the client exceeds the rate limit. Asterisk Ruby, using a gem like rack attack. 8. Testing your API. Asterisk key idea asterisk automated tests are crucial to ensure that your API is working correctly and to prevent regressions. Asterisk emphasis asterisk. Asterisk unit tests asterisk test individual components of your API, example controller methods, models. Asterisk integration tests asterisk test the interaction between different components of your API. Asterisk end-to-end tests asterisk test the entire API from the client's perspective. Asterisk contract tests asterisk verify that your API conforms to its documented contract, example using tools like Pact. Asterisk tools asterisk. Asterisk RSpec, Ruby a popular testing framework. Asterisk VCR, Ruby records HTTP interactions for faster and more reliable tests. Asterisk Postman, or similar API testing tools for manual testing and exploration. 9. Tools and technologies, likely Ruby-centric. Asterisk emphasis asterisk Steve would likely showcase Ruby and Rails as excellent choices for API development. Asterisk possible mentions asterisk. Rails *, a full-stack web framework with excellent support for building APIs. Sinatra *, a lightweight web framework for building simple APIs. Grape *, a REST-like API microframework for Ruby. Active model serializers, or alternatives like JBuilder for serializing Ruby objects to JSON. Doorkeeper, or alternatives like Devise OAuth 2 for implementing OAuth 2.0. Rack Attack * for rate limiting and security. Code example, complete, Rails with hateoas. This example shows a simplified Rails API for managing articles, including hateoas links and versioning. Key takeaways, probable for 2013. Focus on developer experience. Make your API easy to use and understand. Restful principles. Adhere to RESTful principles for scalable and maintainable APIs. Hateoas. Consider it. Explore hateoas to decouple your API from clients and enable API evolution. It was more of a future trend at that time. Versioning. Plan for API changes and use versioning to avoid breaking existing clients. Documentation is crucial. Invest in comprehensive and up-to-date documentation. Security is paramount. Implement authentication, authorization, and rate limiting to protect your API. Testing is essential. Use automated tests to ensure the quality and reliability of your API. Ruby/Rails *, a solid choice for building APIs. Important considerations. Evolving landscape. API development has evolved significantly since 2013. Concepts like GraphQL, serverless architectures, and advanced security practices have become more prevalent. Context. This is an interpretation of what Steve Klabnik might have covered. The actual talk could have had different emphases. This comprehensive tutorial attempts to recreate the essence of Steve Klabnik's API Days Paris 2013 talk based on his known expertise and the trends of the time. Remember that the tech landscape has moved on since then, but the core principles of good API design remain relevant. Remember to always consult official documentation and the latest best practices when developing your own APIs. Good luck.